Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into your Shopify account using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see your Shopify's dashboard. Here, you'll have to just click on the Add Apps button under Apps, and it is going to show you this page where you'll have to click on the Shopify App Store link at the bottom in blue color. Now, when you click on this button, it is going to open up another page where you'll have to just go to the search bar and you can type in AliExpress and you will see various kind of applications through which you can import AliExpress reviews like Ali Reviews. Now, I have used judge.me. So go to the search bar, type in judge.me and it is going to show you this page here. Choose judge.me AliExpress reviews. Select this and here you can see the pricing, highlights, rating, developer. So you can learn more about this product right here. That is this app. Now click on install button available here. After you click on install, it will redirect back to your Shopify's admin page where you will see the install button appearing. Click on install and this will quickly install this judge.me application on your Shopify's account. Now, as you can see, this is the apps page. Here, at the left of the screen, you'll have to choose Imported Reviews button. When you click on this button, it will show all the imported reviews you have. Now, I haven't imported any reviews yet, so I will have to click on Import Reviews button and it is instantly going to show me this page where I will have to search the product title, handle or ID that is available on AliExpress on which the reviews are present. In this section, you'll have to enter the AliExpress product URL. That is the page of the AliExpress product you have your reviews on. Now, you'll have to choose the number of reviews you want to import. So you can increase or decrease this amount or you can just remove this and enter a new number. Now click on show advanced settings and you can choose the country filter to select the people from the countries you want to import reviews from. So if I don't want any people from Turkey or Brazil to give me import reviews, I will deselect them and below it I will have minimum review word count. So you can enter a word count here. Now you can choose, do you want the reviews to have pictures? Now, in the translate to section, click here and select any language. Now, you can choose whether you want to get an email when the import is completed. If you don't want it, deselect it. Now, you can choose to save settings as default import settings that you are doing right here. After you do this, you'll have to just click on the import reviews button available just right here and you would have successfully imported your AliExpress reviews to Shopify. So that's the simple way to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.